How to remove Chrome notification virus. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus. Maybe you are getting the some notification at your right bottom side on here, that how you can get how it was affected on your Chrome browser. I will show you what things you should take care. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how it's get affected on your Chrome browser and what thing you should take care before visiting any website, and then I will show you how you can remove your Chrome notification virus. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Chrome browser first. So guys, here this is my Chrome browser. So how you get affected from this virus, notification virus? Okay, sometime you visited the unsecure website, like torrent website, or pirated movies, or any softwares, or any porn site. If you when you visit it, then maybe you will get the some notification at here that they saying they allow the notification, or sometime they use the trick that you need to allow the notification from here or from here. Then sometime you by mistakenly allow the notification, sometime you are using the unknown extension. When you go to the manage extension, here you can see all your extension. The find here, is there any unknown extension you are using? So when you visited unsecure site, they install the unsecure or unwanted extension on your Chrome browser, it will it will send the notification to your Chrome. Okay, so just check here on your extension manager and find the any unknown extension and just deactivate it and remove from here. Okay, and then so I'll just show you tell you how you will get you affected when you visit the unsecure site. So when you affected, then you will get some notification here, some bad pictures, or maybe links here. Chrome show here, Chrome frequently suddenly send you the some notifications. So how you can get right on it? So you need to change some setting on your Chrome browser. So what you need to do, just click on this 3-line option here and go to the settings, and here we need to go in privacy and security. Just scroll down and go to the site settings, and here you'll get the notification option. Just click on it, and here you have to don't allow the site send the notification. You have to check mark on this option, and just come to this very down and come to the customize viewer. Under the customize viewer, you can see this option, allow the send notification. So here you have to check, is there any website link which you have allowed it to send notifications. So maybe 99% there is a website link. So what you need to do, you will see the option here, which is 3-dot option. Just click on it and remove it. I will show you. For example, I just add one website here. So it will be show link will be look like this, and you need to remove from here. Okay, just click and remove. You need to you need to click on this don't allow the site send notification, and you need to any website from here. Okay, after that, okay, but some website is very genuine, like some website want to give your notification or pop-ups. So when you visit any genuine website, or maybe if you block these settings, then they will give the notification here that your pop-up or notification has blocked. So you can allow from here. You will get the one notification that you can allow some notification from this for this site only. Okay, so you can use for any genuine website, you can allow disallow any notification or pop-up from here. Okay, so you can also scan your computer. Just go down and reset and clear, or you can restore the setting from here and just reset the all setting. It won't affect your bookmarks history and save password. It is only reset your Chrome setting, Chrome shortcut, disable extension, you can enable again. Okay, and delete the cookies and other temporary site. So just reset it. After reset, just go to the extension here, go to the manage extension, and just check the extension, is there any unwanted extension or unrecognized. Just disable it like this and remove from here. Okay, and you can enable any extension from here. and you need to clean up your computer, just scan your Chrome browser. If there are any harmful software on your computer, it will be show here after scan. And when you see any software name here, then just come to your control panel and remove from your computer. Okay, so that is how you can fix if you are getting the notification virus, like notification, and how you can clean the notification virus. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.